Fast-moving thunderstorms swept across the Las Vegas Valley on Friday, causing flash flooding along parts of the Las Vegas Strip as the region braced for more rain into Saturday.
We got submarines here in Las Vegas.
The National Weather Service reported that 1.14 inches of rain fell on Friday in Boulder City, Nev, about 26 miles southeast of Las Vegas. Just over an inch of rain fell near Interstate 15 at Charleston Boulevard, just north of Harry Reid International Airport, according to the Weather Service, which said a flash flood warning was in effect for the area until Saturday night. Heavy flooding about 10 miles north of the center of the Las Vegas Strip resulted in at least one driver being rescued from a car and others abandoning their vehicles below overpasses, according to local news reports. A spokesman for the city said there were no reports of rescues or major incidents. Early on Friday, the city of Las Vegas advised residents to be careful during the morning commute and not to drive through flooded areas or wander into flood channels or basins.